Friends, open PicsArt, tap on plus icon. Now select edit a photo, first option. Background. Now go to add photo. Select your model image. Then this is model image. Scroll up, select cutout tool. Now select the brush option. Now draw on model. Now tap on tick mark. After erasing background, simply zoom out and arrange perfectly in this portion here. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, tap on save. Now scroll down. Now tap on reverse arrow. Tap on save draft. Scroll up, select the background. Now select the white color. Now tap on tools. Now select the crop option. Now select 16:9 ratio. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the splash PNG. Then this is splash PNG. Simply zoom out. Arrange it like this. Now tap on tick mark. Scroll up. Select the draw option. Select the brush. Tap on settings. Keep the size like I am doing in the video. Zoom in and you have to draw inside this white portion. It is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the image which you edited before. Then this is the image. Simply zoom out. Scroll up. Select the blend option. Now select the screen option. Okay, now arrange it like I am doing in the video. How to arrange it like this. Perfect. Now tap on eraser. Now select the eraser tool. Increase the size, decrease opacity, decrease hardness. Now erase on the border portions around the splash. You have to erase like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Tap on tick. Next step, scroll up. Select the tools, select the adjust option. Now increase the saturation little bit. Tap on tick. Next step, go to effects. Select the simple option, simple. Scroll to the left. Now select the Lomo option. Tap on settings. Decrease the amount to 0 and vignette to 0. Tap on eraser. Now select the background option. Now tap on tick mark. Tap on tick. Next step, go to add photo and select the light PNGs. These are the two PNGs. Arrange this PNG here in this portion. Perfect. Now zoom out this PNG and arrange like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to tools, go to adjust, increase little contrast, increase clarity little bit, increase saturation, decrease little highlights or give little highlights, increase little shadow. Now tap on tick mark. Friends, finally our special Republic Day tutorial is completed. This is the before white background. This is the final output. All PNGs links are in the description. Now tap on save. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.